Welcome to our channel Catalyst. Today we have come with a new video which is over the four parts of the flower, and we have taken China rose for it because it have all the four parts, a complete or perfect flower. Now we are taking a China rose for our examination. This is a China rose. We are looking at it very closely, observing all the four structures. Beautiful color. Above that there is a long stalk and we're holding it. This is the first roll. This is the calyx, the green one. Yeah. And above that those are the petals. Second roll, corolla. And the third one is the long one, that is androsium, and topmost the fourth one, that is gymnosium. Holding the flower, we are saying it, this is a very beautiful bicolored flower, and turning upside down, it is a bell-like structure. Bell-like structure, all the structure is being held by the calyx. Up there is long, we are seeing it with a magnifying glass. There are grooves at the edges as well as on the surface of the petals. The China rose is having a rough surface, have grooves all over it. And down the green one, that is the calyx. Yeah, that is divided upwards. Now we will see it more closely. This is the calyx, and upside it is forked. Leaf-like structures are there. Above that, that's the corolla, second whorl, and third whorl gymnosium. Fourth one is the gymnosium, third one is the androsium, and we will now see it one by one, and therefore bisecting the flower we will see it. That's the calyx, and below that there is the small structure, small snod-like parts. Yeah, we are pointing this. These are known as epicalyxes, more than 5 in number for China rose. Yeah, looking very closely, these are also green, so helps in photosynthesis, just like the calyx. Upside down, we are seeing the calyx having bell-like structure, holding all the petals and protecting the inner parts, the three ones, from the adverse situation of rain, drought, etc. Now bisecting the flowers, we want to see the inner parts. We are parting the calyx, and this is a very delicate one, so we are doing it very attentively. We are just parting the calyx from the corolla. Yeah, that's the basal part. We are now detaching. The stalk has been detached. Now, keeping the part side, we will see that above the stalk, that is the basal part. On that part, actually all the petals were being attached. Now, we have detached the stalk from the basal part. The calyx from the basal part. Now, examining the calyx. Below that there are some epicalyxes already, and these are the leaf-like structure of the calyx, which are known actually sepals. There are 5 sepals for China rose. We have detached them. Now we are detaching the second whorl, that is corolla, and the parts are named as petals. There are 5 petals for China rose, colored ones, attracting insects, helping pollination, and protecting the inner part, gymnosium and androsium. Now we are seeing the third part, that is gymnosium and androsium. Third and fourth part, we are now bisecting this. That is the cylinder or tube-like structure with a sharp blade. we're bisecting it very attentively. It's a very delicate one, tendency to be tear up. Yeah. Whatever we are now parting, that is a part of androsium. That is the long stalk, right? Stalk-like structure, tube-like structure. That is the stamens which are being fused to form that tube. Through that, the gymnosium is being up through that hollow cylinder. Now, whatever we are parting, that is the gymnosium. Yeah, parting that. The stalk or the part filaments and anther are the two parts of androsium. We will say it. We are now parting gymnosium from androsium. Clearing it. Okay, it is done. It's a long, long thread-like structure. Okay, you have detached the third whorl from the fourth whorl. Now we'll see the third one, that is the androsium, and we'll see it very closely, observing it. That is a long hollow tube that we have now just bisected, and it is moreover up, and there are small tiny structures outside, taking a very close look to the magnifying glass. Yeah, those are the actually anthers. All the stamens is fused to form that hollow tube, and the stamens have two parts, the long filament and the anther on the top. Yeah, that is a long filament. Filaments are being fused to form that cylinder, and these are the anthers. Yeah, all the anthers have swollen part, that is the pollen sac. Yeah, the pollen sac are bilobed, that is two lobes are there. The pollen sacs have the two lobes, which two lobes have pollen grains within that. If ruptured pollens are there, those are the male gametes which will participate in fertilization. Yeah, all the stamens are being fused and it's a one bunch. So Monadelphous flower is China rose. That's powder like substance. And now we are seeing gymnosium. Yeah, that is a long filament, and above that, that is called the stigmata. There are 5 stigmatas for China rose, and that is a long part of gymnosium. And down that is the swollen part known as ovary. That is the long part. That is 5 stigmatas are there, which have just like velvety up end, which will keep the bed for pollen, male gametes, and that is 5 stigmatas are there, and that is the long filament like, that is called style. Yeah, that is termed as style, a long filament, and below that is the ovary, which have ovules within that. That is the female gametes. Now this is the 4 parts: the calyx, the corolla, and the androsium and gymnosium. If you liked our video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.